Our channel is 100% focused on stories like this, providing you with valuable information the media hides from you. Please, so you don't miss videos like this, subscribe to the channel and leave a like. It helps our work a lot. High above our world, silently orbiting our planet for decades, perhaps even centuries, there's a mystery that mainstream science refuses to acknowledge. It's an enigmatic object known as the Black Knight satellite. They dismiss it as space debris, thermal blankets, or misidentified rocket stages. But for a growing number of researchers, scientists, and even former astronauts, the evidence suggests something far more extraordinary. That the Black Knight is an alien object, a sentinel watching over humanity from the silent vacuum of space. This isn't just a fanciful tale of little green men. This is an investigation into a persistent anomaly, a collection of documented sightings, photographic evidence, and unexplained signals that point to a single, unsettling conclusion. We are not alone, and we have been observed for a very long time. We're going to delve into the most compelling evidence that suggests the Black Knight satellite is real and explore the chilling implications of its presence in Earth's orbit. The legend of a mysterious object orbiting Earth predates the space age. In the late 19th century, Nikola Tesla, the visionary inventor, claimed to have received strange, rhythmic radio signals that he believed originated from an extraterrestrial source. While his claims were met with skepticism at the time, they laid the groundwork for future interpretations of unusual signals from space. In the 1950s, as the space race began, both the United States and the Soviet Union were diligently tracking all objects in Earth's orbit. It was during this period that reports of an unidentified satellite began to surface. Unlike any known Soviet or American spacecraft, this object seemed to follow an unusual, erratic orbit, and some reports even suggested it was significantly larger than any satellite launched at the time. One of the most cited pieces of evidence is a series of photographs taken in 1960 by a Grumman aircraft engineer who was tracking an American Discoverer satellite. According to the story, a dark, angular object was observed in a polar orbit, a trajectory that neither the U.S. nor the USSR possessed the capability to achieve at that time. The photographs, while somewhat grainy, do appear to show a large, irregularly shaped object. While skeptics argue these could be misinterpreted debris or photographic artifacts, the persistent nature of such sightings raises questions. Adding to the mystery are the alleged radio signals associated with the Black Knight. In the late 1960s, amateur radio operators reportedly picked up strange, repeating signals emanating from an unknown source in space. One such operator, Duncan Lunan, a Scottish scientist, claimed to have decoded these signals, suggesting they originated from a star system in the constellation Boötes and were a star map dating back approximately 13,000 years. While Lunan later retracted some of his interpretations, the initial reception of these unusual signals remains a point of intrigue for Black Knight proponents. Perhaps the most visually compelling evidence comes from NASA's STS-88 mission in 1998, the first mission to assemble the International Space Station. During a spacewalk, astronauts captured several high-resolution photographs of a dark, irregularly shaped object floating in Earth's orbit. NASA's official explanation was that this was a thermal blanket that had been lost during the mission. However, many researchers point to the object's seemingly rigid structure and unusual shape, arguing it doesn't resemble a crumpled piece of insulation. The object in the photos appears to have distinct angles and protrusions, looking more like a manufactured object than discarded debris. Furthermore, the Black Knight is often described as being in a polar orbit, circling the Earth from pole to pole, rather than the more common equatorial orbits used by most satellites. This unusual orbital path would allow a surveillance object to observe virtually every part of the planet as Earth rotates beneath it. In the early days of space exploration, achieving a stable polar orbit was a significant technological challenge, further fueling speculation that the Black Knight is not of human origin. The stories and alleged sightings of the Black Knight span decades, involving independent researchers, amateur astronomers, and even credible witnesses within the aerospace industry. This persistence over time, across different sources, adds a layer of credibility to the phenomenon. While individual sightings might be explained away, the cumulative evidence presents a more compelling case for an unidentified object with unusual characteristics. Skeptics often point to the lack of concrete, irrefutable proof, such as recovered fragments or consistent, scientifically verified signals. However, proponents argue that a technologically advanced alien civilization might possess cloaking technology or other means of evading easy detection. Furthermore, they suggest that governments and space agencies might be deliberately downplaying or even covering up the true nature of the Black Knight to avoid public panic or to study the technology in secret. The sheer mystery surrounding the Black Knight has made it a recurring theme in popular culture, appearing in science fiction books, television shows, and video games. This cultural resonance speaks to a deep-seated human fascination with the possibility of extraterrestrial life and the idea of being observed by an unknown presence. The lack of a definitive explanation from mainstream science only fuels the speculation and the desire to understand the true nature of this enigmatic object. Why would multiple sources report similar sightings and unusual signals over such a long period if there wasn't something truly anomalous in orbit? The Black Knight satellite, whether it is an alien probe, an ancient artifact, or something else entirely, remains one of the most intriguing and persistent mysteries of the space age. It challenges our understanding of who and what might be out there, watching us from the vastness of space. While the official narrative continues to dismiss it as mundane space debris, the compelling evidence and the unanswered questions surrounding the Black Knight satellite continue to fascinate and intrigue those who dare to look beyond the accepted explanations. The truth, like the object itself, remains elusive, orbiting our planet in the silent darkness, a constant reminder that there may be more to our cosmic neighborhood than we currently understand. The possibility that an alien object has been observing Earth for an extended period is a profound one, raising fundamental questions about our place in the universe and the potential for contact with extraterrestrial civilizations. The Black Knight, in this context, becomes more than just a space anomaly. It becomes a potential messenger, a silent testament to a presence beyond our world. The continued investigation into the Black Knight satellite is a testament to the human spirit of inquiry, our innate desire to unravel mysteries and seek out the truth, no matter how extraordinary or unsettling it may be. The forbidden knowledge of the Black Knight, if it is indeed an alien artifact, could hold profound implications for the future of humanity. Our channel will continue to explore these unexplained phenomena, to delve into the evidence that challenges the official narratives, and to bring you the stories that mainstream media often ignores. The mystery of the Black Knight satellite is far from over, and we will be here to follow its orbit and report on any new revelations. Our channel is 100% focused on stories like this, providing you with valuable information the media hides from you. Please, so you don't miss videos like this, subscribe to the channel and leave a like. It helps our work a lot.